Guys, I have very good news for you because I have managed these 2 drones and that's why I can give that to you. I will do a giveaway. And guys, what you have to do is first step, like this video. Next step is subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Then like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is write a comment with the words pick me. And then guys, you are able. Good luck to everyone, and now let's continue with this experiment. I'm so excited.
Restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent. I'm finally facing it all. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
And yes guys, what's my crash test with these Nokia 3310s and the car. Guys, thanks for watching, and yes, as always, thumbs up for a new crash test.